fishing right here in front of us. Welcome to Jamaica Shore Fishing. We're here doing some permit jack fishing this morning. Manoa, give me that. Cause I got from a rod. I got it. Manoa and grab one fish, look while, yes. Cause you got the big one? The one under your foot, right there. Get him out, right there.
This one?
See it? Right there, look. You see that big one under there? Hold on guys, I'm about to go after this barra real quick. It's getting early. It's a high tide. Watch your foot, cuz. Behind you, so hold it there. You don't need the light again, you can't see them now. Alright, now come, I'll go from a rod. Here guys. Yeah. I'm trying to go get my lure rod real quick. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this goddamn lure at this time in the morning. I know exactly where he's at. That's a long jaw. He's right there. How much you got, cuz? It's actually pretty high tide here. You can hardly see him. You need a light? Oh, you good? I'm just making after this barra that did that a while ago, bro. I'd love to hold him this morning. That'd be a nice gesture. Good morning, Jamaican Shore Fishing. The barra is hanging around here someplace. Probably when the sun comes up, I'll probably have a better luck. I wonder if we should set up here today instead of down there. Eh? I caught some really nice fish up here before. But the tide's gonna go out soon on us, you know what I'm saying? So we don't want to be up here when the tide goes up. Here goes one over here, cuz. You got him? The thing is, the permits, they come up here and feed to it, but you can't see them as much as you would down there. How much you got? Huh? So one big one here. Come here, sir. Come here, sir. So some big one here. Come. May I pick them out right now for you? Them are the right on surface, you know how to dig. Come right there so I show me stand up, cuz. You get at least half dozen here, so quick and fast. Ready? Right there, sir. Come in. I make after the boy this morning. Yeah, I'm borrow the boat here, fuck around. See that, sir? Cuz, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big one. Be a big one I hold there, sir. You can see them clear. Let me give some light. See that, cuz? Look. Right there, sir. Look now. Look way like that. Right there, sir. Easy pickings. Yeah, you better watch out to see egg. That's all. We have got piece on your foot. Yo, I done so we are going now. I done so we are go. Be a fish. One cast off of the wall there before me move. Cause just line up yourself and get ready. We are good on, sir. I done some more on there. Alright, come in, I'll go down, sir. What do we have, man? You know, can't walk on that wall, sir? Come in, cuz. For fishing, welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Enough love and respect all the time. Just remember to smash that thumbs up. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. We're here again doing it, permit jack fishing. As you guys seen in the clip before, we're just picking up some bait. Me and Cuz is here. Rasta's here someplace throwing his lure around. There he go down there. And we got a gentleman coming with his fishing rod right now. So we're here, guys. The weather is beautiful, clear skies, good sea. Hopefully we can hook up something for you guys. So stay tuned. Next hookup, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Here, guys, I'm getting a ring off on this line already. Line slacked up on me. You see that, guys? Yes, guys. Fish on. Gotcha. Fish on, guys. First catch of the morning, Cuz. Got him in, Cuz. Stingray. 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 It's a little stingray. Or puffer. Pampas. Puffer fish. It's alright. It's a catch. Let's get him up. We got a puffer, guys. My boy wants it, so I want to give it to him. Don't break my hook, damn it. Hold this for me. Get this. Oh, there you go. Thank you. He didn't break my hook. Woo! Look where you did the hook. Yo, guys, look where you did the hook.
He more tough, you know.
He figured out the hook, guys. Look at this. Oh my God, guys. This fish just bent this hook out of proportion. Damn. That's how strong their beaks are, guys. So, I gotta fix this hook. You got ourselves a puff puff. Show him that cooler. My boy wants him, so we'll save him from the general, you know? We'll drop him that cooler. Catch today, boy. That's what's up. Alright, let's get this hook. Look how he bend up the hook, Cuz.
Yeah, man, I was one thing with that boy then. When the?
You in that cooler? Patrick say he want him. Then skill bad, man. Use a thread, Cuz.
No, man, I think I problem, man.
Me tell you use heavy weight. Yeah, guys, we got a subscriber out with us today, and we'll get his name and everything in a second. But he's out with us. He's gonna get ready to set up. We'll get him set up and get him some bait on his line and put him out there. All right. So stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. He's getting bite. Don't pull on it, you know. Just make sure. Yeah, just keep tension. Don't wind it up. Just keep tension. So when they'll hit and it hits it the right way, they'll run off on you. I heard mines go off a while ago, so I gotta be peeping. The end one here, not you. Yep. Yeah. You getting hit? I just got a hit. I'm like back and forth. Welcome to the channel, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Back at it again. We got a subscriber down here with us today. Here, Rasta's down there lure fishing someplace off the mangroves looking for barra. So he's on the hunt and we're on the hunt. So it's high tide now. We're giving it about till 9 to see what's up, see if we can pick anything up. And just stay tuned, guys. I got a puffer just now. We're gonna keep that for my friend Patrick, who said he wanted it. So he's gonna deal with it. So I gotta call him up right now, as a matter of fact, to tell him to come get it. All right. So big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Yeah, I'm getting hit. Oh yeah. Something hitting the line out there, guys. Getting some mad hits on this line, guys. All right, let's check it. Oh, don't tell me you hitched me up. I'm hitched up on this line, guys. Yep. Just like I thought. Lost another rig. I have to tie up one more rig now. Not good. Yeah, I just had to switch off rigs. Lost the rig a while ago. Cosa vuoi restare? main lines. Rasta's monitoring, and I'm walking up the line trying to go up, trying to pick up something here on the lure to see what I can pick up, casting out a bit. A Yazuri lure is supposed to be giving off that effect, guys. Nothing, guys. Just a little bit of lure casting, guys. Oh shit, got a lure hit up. I didn't want that. But we're gonna go a little bit further up the wall, cast out in these shallows, and see if I can work this area and pick something else up. I done caught a puffer fish a while ago. So, see if we can get out there past. Damn, I'm far away from my line. See a long jaw chasing, that means it's visible. Fish on, guys. Ooh, fish on. Gotcha. Barra. Ooh. Oh, he jumped off. Yeah, we get one barrel and get one. Damn, barrel got away. Damn, guys. Nice barrel too, you know. I hate when that happens. Oh yeah, I want to head back down. I could walk the rest of this. I just hook one barrel of coil and then get away. One nice one, he flick out the water to blood to about 2 pounds. Then one nice one, I hook the coil. He flick out the coil, your fault. And when he jump out the water, he get away, you know. He flash hook when he jump out.
Yeah, it break down, man. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to go. I know in the mirror, put down factory in the night. Yeah, they're going to do the old. I don't know, you took that 9 o'clock.
Thought I got something, guys. No depend.
Grab me, man.
And I eat it off the coil, but you never grab
See,
it.
pop up one of the party there. Look, when you mouth one of them when you give party there.
Yeah. What you say? Fry, cuz. Cuz catch one schoolmaster snapper, guys. Look. Handline. Fry. So cuz got himself a fish. And he got 3. Yeah, 3 of them he got so far, guys. So
yeah,
we're going on good. We had a puffer from earlier, but cuz catching some schoolmasters fry for himself. So we do nothing. Cuz get one of them. Yeah, come drop the damn fish. Oh yeah, drop the fish. Take out the fish.
No, whole fish, so. I saw your whole fish.
Because we want another schoolmaster snapper, guys. We're doing it today, guys. Outside, we're just hanging out. Flying fishing. So far, cuz ran out of bait. Excuse all the noise in the background, guys. We got a truck driver back here doing his thing. Coming off this clear here to see if we can catch a barrow's attention. Good little spot for a barrow to ambush. Okay, so what I'm seeing on the drone a while ago, I was throwing the drone earlier. I was actually examining this area. Running it up to this bush again to see if I could possibly catch something. Why is this kid? Yeah, if the barrel was hanging here, he would have hit this already. I guess my car is part of the driving lesson today, guys. Don't hit the car and don't hit the cone. Wow. I would have ended up packing up and getting out of here. These guys got their driving school going on, so I'm just gonna take myself in. I'm just walking this wall down to my rods, and then I'm gonna pack my stuff up in a bit and see what's up, guys. Well, shit. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. I'm contemplating shore fishing. I'm contemplating whether to end this video or not. I don't have much battery left, but I'm gonna see if I can pick a barrel up quickly on the side here at Flamingo Beach. So let me see what's up. The water here is very shallow. I'm gonna go a little further up. I'm gonna get a little bit more depth of water. So I have a little bit of battery left. So I'm gonna save that for that purpose. So if I don't pick anything up, well, that's gonna be it. All right, so love you guys. Big up yourself. Enough respect. Stay